County software issues. Was in October when attorneys confronted county commissioners with issues they said had delayed the administration of justice.
Yeah, and a month later, they say very little progress has been made in that. Our Ryan Chandler spoke with a lawyer leading the effort and with a software company and has an update tonight.
Well, that's right, y'all. The issue first started 4 months ago when the county switched the software that we use to power our judicial system to Tyler Technologies. And we spoke with that company today, and they say that $8 million contract was still tax dollars well spent. They say their product did work as it was intended to, and the county has agreed with that too. They say the problem lies with the transfer of tens of millions of pages of documents to a new format. But lawyers stuck using that faulty system say their attempts to work with the county to make that transition easier have still been unsuccessful.
The rollout of this Tyler system has been an absolute debacle.
When Lubbock County switched the software they use for court records in August, lawyers immediately noticed issues. They couldn't access the documents they need to move their cases forward. Now, 4 months later, they say problems persist.
As recently as today, I was scheduled to negotiate with the prosecutor on a particular case, and we weren't able to have our conversation because I still don't have discovery.
Garcia joined other lawyers in front of county commissioners at the end of October when they presented the issues and asked to work with the county to fix them. A month later, he says that has not happened yet.
We ought to have a seat at the table, and nobody from IT or the county judge's office has reached out to us to try to create some sort of working group. We're not really getting a lot of that interaction, so to us it kind of looks like inaction. Where we're just left in the dark.
Tyler Technologies explains the issues are not with their software. You can expect some delays when transferring tens of millions of documents to a new system, but their service performed as the county intended.
The citizens of Lubbock would do well to know that their tax dollars, which went to fund the system, were well spent because it was an issue related to the transference of data, which happens, once in a generation when you change over these systems, and the system itself was fully functional.
But lawyers using the system say no matter where the problem came from, it's still there.
As a taxpayer, I don't feel like that our money has been well spent. I've been nothing but frustrated with this new system. But we still got a long way to go.